Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with the PlayStation 3 game. We're going to do two of them. The first one is Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how we do. I think we'll have a good game. Let's play.
From the heart of Hollywood, here are the stars of America's Living, Brad Sajak and Vanna White.
Hello, Hollywood. What a great-looking crowd. You contestants are already reaching for the buzzers. You want to win $1,000, and who can blame you? And the category is... What are you doing? And we'll get it started right now. And it's player
Enjoy
one.
the sun.
You got it! Wow! Good start with $1,000, player one. Get ready, everybody. We're going to do one more toss-up here. This is worth $2,000. The category for our next puzzle is On the Map. Vanna, go ahead. And it's player one.
Malibu.
Yeah, congratulations. That's $3,000 now. Good job, player one. Player one gets the $2,000. They'll spin first. Jim?
Welcome to the jackpot round. To win the jackpot, you must land on the jackpot wedge, correctly guess it, and here's tonight's featured prize. Experience an adventure like no other in vibrant Brazil. Brazil features everything from music-laden cities, quaint colonial towns, unparalleled wildlife watching, to magnificent white sand beaches. $7,000.
Now we're looking for food and drink. There's our puzzle, and here goes player one. Keep it going. 900. Two of them. $400. There is an L. Let's have your... There are two of those. Keep it going.
Oh, here we go again.
Whoa! What letter would you like?
Let me have a T.
One of them. You've moved a little closer to winning the $1 million.
You've gotten the $1 million wedge.
We've got a solution attempt here. Let's see how it goes.
Crunchy pretzels.
Congratulations, well done. You've solved the puzzle and are one step closer to winning $1 million. We've still got a lot of stuff to give away. We'll spread it all around. Come on back.
Welcome to the mystery round.
It's fun and games this time. Player 2, your turn to start. Keep it going. Nice one. No teeth. Here we are, Wheel. 600. Sorry, none of those. $400. There is an $600. Yes, there is an S. Let's have there is an E. Well, let's see. Let's have a letter first. There is an N. There's a 50-50 chance there'll be $10,000 under there. Of course, it could be the bankrupt. Player 1 is going to take the $1,000 per letter. Let's have your... Yep, we got 2 letters for you.
I got
Let's
it.
get those up there. Player 1 is going to solve. Let's see if they get it. That's it. All right, Player 1, you won a nice chunk of change with that solve. We've got a lot more money to give away, hopefully to everyone, right after this. Food and drink is what we're looking for this time. And it's a prize puzzle. Here's that magical sound. You'll start, Player 3. This could be good for you. Choose a letter in the puzzle to pick up that wire. There's no R. Come on, big money. Good opportunity here. There are 3 of those.
Oh, I know it.
Go ahead and grab that gift card. Let's have your solution then, Player 1. That's it. Congratulations. Let's not forget this was also a prize puzzle. What do we have, Jim?
Enjoy this pleasant mix of outdoor activity and big city entertainment. Sample the fine dining and host of shows downtown, or head a short way out to superb rafting and jet boating. $6,000.
You've won some cash and some prizes. You're doing pretty well for yourself. We'd like these totals to grow, and hopefully they will, right after this. It's time for the third toss-up, $3,000. For our next puzzle, the category is Living Thing. And here we go. Player 1. Player 1, you won the right to give it the first spin. Things is the category. Player 1, your start. $500. There is an F. All right, no E. $300. Not in this puzzle, sorry. All right, I'm going to spin it. Each consonant is worth $1,000 plus whatever I land on. $450. And we start with you, player 3. The letter, please. No H. Yes, there is an R. Player 2. You know what? There's none of those. Sorry. No, bad luck. One of them. There you go. Once Vanna is done with the letters, you'll have 15 seconds. Player 2. Sorry, none of those. Not in this puzzle, sorry. There must be some N's. How many? And 15 seconds, starting now. Player 2. There is an A. Vowels can be useful even though they aren't worth anything. Player 3. No, bad luck. 2 of them. Okay, go for it, player 1. That's it. Congratulations. Hold through in the final puzzle. Good show, player 1. You're the big winner. Bonus round for you. Second place is not a bad place to be when you've won this much cash. The wheel gave you a little trouble there, but you still did all right. You've reached the bonus round and managed to avoid bankrupts, and the $1 million wedge has been put on the bonus wheel. Give it a spin, and let's see what happens. Where are we here? There's the envelope. Okay, everybody, proper name is the category for our next puzzle. R-S-T-L-N-E. Are there any of those up there, Vanna? Okay, now we need 3 more consonants and a vowel. Let's see those letters. Okay, you've got 80 seconds to solve it. Work it out. You've solved the puzzle.
You got it!
You've won. Player 1?
Transfer
30
these
grand.
funds into your account. $30,000.
$55,400.
Great game. Good night, everyone.
Bye-bye.
This is how everyone did.